I've tried working in Kyoto co-working space and lounge in Robinson's Magnolia, and here's what I think about it. At first glance, spacious, malinis, and well-lit ang lugar. The seats look comfortable kaya very good for working long hours. Siyempre, chinek ko agad yung restroom at di naman ako na-disappoint sa linis, amoy at itsura. At guys, may bidet. Only din ng coffee, tea, and nibbles. Itong Nescafe coffee dispenser, masarap din ang timpla. Yung lamig ng air conditioning, sakto lang. Mabilis din ang internet nila at bawat part ng office may power outlet na malapit. Kung gutom ka na, pwede kang umorder sa kanilang partner restaurant but you're free to bring outside food while working. And if you need to step out for a bit, free din ang use ng locker. 150 pesos per hour ang rate nila pero 500 pesos lang if you need to stay the entire day. And if you plan to work long term, may mga special weekly and monthly rates sila. Overall, naging productive naman ang co-working experience namin sa Kyoto and we're looking forward to coming back soon. Check out their Instagram for more info.